Hi everybody, this is Mike the Computer Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to take out your CPU and put your CPU back in with the heatsink and the fan. And what you need to do this is a Phillips screwdriver and your grounder. You have to stay grounded. So, I'll show you. So basically what CPU stands for is Central Processing Unit. It's for how fast and powerful your computer will be. So all I'm going to do is unscrew these so I can get into the desktop. Okay, so right here, the CPU is located under the fan and the heatsink that you see right here. In order to get to it, we have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And then after that, we'll just be able to pull it up. Before we start, we have to unplug the fan, which is from the motherboard, which is right there, and I can do that right now. Just pull it and unplug it, and now it's unplugged. So unscrew these. You don't have to worry about losing the screws or the screws falling off in there because they're attached to the heat sink, so it's like they do not come out. So this is what the CPU and the heat sink looks like. The fan. This right here is the CPU. Better look at it. It's right here. So what we're gonna do is push down on this little latch right here and pull it out, and it's gonna move. Latch up. Just pick it up. And this is what the CPU looks like. And that is how you take the CPU out. So, as you can see in this little corner, like right here, it has like a little silver or gold triangle. And on here, it has like a triangle also. That lets you know which way it's supposed to be placed in there. Put this back in. Push this back down. It's in there tight. What I'm gonna do is put this heat sink and the fan back on. All the screws back down on there. And now you just plug the fan back up to the motherboard. Go, things back together. And that is how you take out and put in a CPU.